the Marketing Mum and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a super short video just explaining about YouTube hashtags, what they are, why you might want to use them. So first up, what are they? They are 3 hashtags that will now be included above your title. Now the way to actually put a hashtag on your video is super simple. You just have to add it to the description. Now you can actually add up to 15. Do not add over 15. Apparently YouTube says if they discover more than 15 tags in your description, then they will just disregard all the tags. So you want to add up to 15, but I recommend only adding 3 because you're only going to have 3 at the top, and we're going to see what YouTube is actually going to be doing with these hashtags as time goes on. At the moment, what happens with hashtags is you add them in the description, and you can do this either as you're uploading a video or afterwards. If you want to go back to a video and just add them, you put hashtag and then you have to have the whole word. If you've got 2 words together, you need to stick those words together. So if you wanted to use, say, hashtag mum vlog, then you wouldn't do hashtag mum space vlog. You would have to whack them together. Otherwise it would just have hashtag mum. Once you've saved it, the top 3 will come up just above your title. Now what happens is if somebody then clicks on that particular link, it will bring up a search of all the videos that have that particular hashtag in their description. Now the pros and cons. The cons are if somebody does actually click on this hashtag, it's going to take them to the search list, which will take them away from your channel. So the best way to actually categorize any of your sections would still be in a playlist. Direct people to your playlist and then people will stay on your channel for longer. You will get more views, blah, 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 blah. So you want to try and keep people on your channel for as long as possible. So playlists are the way forward. Now hashtags, they're still relatively new to YouTube. Now, if you look at Instagram, who have hashtags as the main core as to how you search for things on their particular site, they will be using hashtags in a slightly different way. YouTube is just using it for search at the moment, so it will categorize it. Apparently research has been done as to whether or not it actually enhances your ranking to have the hashtags. At the moment, that is not the case. It doesn't actually benefit your video to have the hashtags on there. It won't make you rank any higher. It also can direct people away from your channel if people actually click at the top. But it is still being developed and it can be worth doing if you're using it for branding. So if you wanted to put your own branding name at the top, people will be able to then click on it and they will be able to find all the different videos that you have got with that particular person. So say with my other company, I wanted to use Circus Brighton and I will use that, and then people will click on that and they will find all the videos that include Circus Brighton. Or if I was using one particular presenter, I would be able to have their name as the hashtag, and then people will be able to click on it and then they would be able to be taken to all the videos with that particular presenter. So that works for branding, but at the moment there are slightly more negatives than there are positives. It is always worth using all these different systems that come out on YouTube because eventually they will be developed and they will benefit your video, and if you are one of the first few people that use them, then YouTube normally likes that. And also it's normally better to use these systems whilst they're there. It looks really professional to have your hashtags at the top and people will be able to see really easily whether or not this is actually the video that they wanted to click on. So it can be worth using hashtags there. Now, in order to do them, you just need to include them in your description and then just click save, as I said. Now, when you go back, the top 3 will be at the top. So it is up to you if you use them, but that is how it's done. They are the pros, they are the cons. And let me know in the comment section down below how you found it. Do you use them? What do you use them for? Do you use them for branding? Do you use them to actually display the content that you have in the video? Let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know if you've got any questions that you would like answered. Speak to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.